ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡು.
ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ
Ayan, ayan.
शिला मिस
Blue house flag carried by Satish Shetty. Red house flag carried by Vilas Khan. Yellow house flag carried by Mohammad Ashkan. Following them are 10 CBSE graduating students. Following them are our esteemed CBSE 10th grade teachers whose guidance, dedication and support have shaped this graduating batch. Accompanying the state flag is the Karnataka troop with the students holding the white and yellow and red state flag.
English medium schools have consistently focused not only on academic excellence but also on character formation, values, and faith. This graduation ceremony symbolizes the successful completion of secondary education and the readiness of our students to step into a wider world with confidence, courage, and compassion. With this prayerful thought, let us begin today's graduation day program. I request the dignitaries please take your seats.
Starts with prayer. To begin with this auspicious graduation day ceremony, let us seek the blessings of Almighty. I now invite the CBSE choir group to lead us in a prayer song. Thank you, dear students, for your melodious prayer.
दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते. The lighting up of the lamp signifies the removal of darkness and the spreading of knowledge, wisdom and hope. Education, like light, dispels ignorance and lead us on the path of truth. I now invite our respected dignitaries to light the ceremonial lamp and mark the formal inauguration of today's graduation day program. ದೀಪ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಸಂಕೇತ, ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಸಂಕೇತ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಬೆಳಕು. ಈಗ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾರಂಪರಿಕ ಚಾಲನೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Today's program.
A gracious welcome sets the tone for celebration, inspiration, and success. To extend a heartfelt welcome, I now invite Mr. Vinod Lopez, HM in charge of Mathuma English Medium School, to kindly come forward and welcome the gathering.
Behind every successful graduate stands a dedicated teacher. Graduation is not the end, it is the beginning of new possibilities. Respected chief guest, honorable principal, distinguished guests, faculty members, dear parents, and my dear students. Good afternoon to you all. It is an absolute honor to stand before you today to celebrate a significant milestone in the lives of our graduates. Today is the day of achievement, realized dreams, and the unfolding of a new chapter for every graduating student. Good afternoon to you all. It is an absolute honor to stand before you today to celebrate a significant milestone in the lives of our graduates. Today is a day of achievement, realized dreams, and the unfolding of a new chapter for every graduate sitting before us. It is my proud privilege on behalf of our institute to extend a warm and respectful welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Royce Thomas Rajan. Born in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and emigrated to United Kingdom at 11 years age. Mr. Royce is pharmacist by profession, attaining masters in 2016 from London and continued studies at prestigious University of London and currently working in artificial intelligence at King's College London. Mr. Royce is the manager and senior administrator to hospitals in England in implementation of AI in healthcare. Mr. Royce's wife, Dr. Gladys, is the previous student of our Marthoma English Medium School. On behalf of all the faculty staff, I welcome you, sir. I extend my hearty welcome to our Principal Manager, Reverend Eisen Joshua, who is visionary in his leadership and constant guidance, continue to shape the growth and success of our institution. We are grateful for your unwavering support and inspiring presence on this special occasion. Welcome you, dear Father. A hearty welcome to Mr. K.C. Varghese, sir, Treasurer of Marthoma Schools. On this auspicious occasion, we are grateful for your constant support and valuable guidance, and we are honored by your gracious presence today. Welcome you, dear sir. A grateful welcome to our Marthoma Central School Principal, Mrs. Nancy Philip. It's your sense of commitment which creates an apt platform for us to work and grow together. Welcome you, dear madam. A heartfelt welcome to Marthoma Central School Vice Principal, Mrs. Vanita Kudrigi, whose dedication to educational excellence and student growth is truly inspiring. Welcome you, dear madam. I extend my joyful welcome to Marthoma English Medium School Staff Secretary, Ms. Sundita Pinto, who is always ready to support and give her assistance. Welcome you, dear madam. A delighted welcome to all the 10th grade teachers for your leadership and support and commitment have played a vital role in shaping the success of our students. Welcome you, dear teachers. A wholehearted welcome to all the section coordinators, teaching and non-teaching staff of Marthoma family who are working hard with enthusiasm, involvement and dedication. Welcome you, dear staff. I welcome our graduating students. Today is all about you. You have spent years in these classrooms filled with laughter, learning, challenges and friendship. Today is not just an end of the schooling, but a celebration of your hard work, dedication and achievements. You have completed an important chapter in your life and we are proud of your accomplishments. May this day inspire you to reach even greater heights in the journey ahead. This day is specially meant for you. On this auspicious occasion, of your endeavors, I extend a hearty welcome to all the graduating students. Welcome you. I also extend my warm welcome to St. Thomas English Medium Principal, Mrs. Teresa Fernandez, for your presence and inspiration to this program. Welcome you, madam. Once again, I welcome all of you who have gathered here. Thank you.
Thank you, dear sir. We also welcome you to this celebration.
A great leader does not merely speak to the moment, but shapes the future through wisdom and example. We are proud to announce that it is for the first time in the history of Mar Thoma, the graduation day is celebrated for the SLC students. Are you happy, students? It is the thought of Reverend Isaac Joshua Father, and with the cooperation of faculty members, it is happening today. So now I request respected manager of NTCS and principal of MTES, Reverend Isaac Joshua Father, to deliver the presidential address, sharing his vision, wisdom and blessings for our graduating students.
Respected Chief Guest Rohis Rajan, AI specialist. He, in the absence of our Tahsildar, he took the responsibility. On the behalf of management, I welcome you this occasion once again. Principal of CBSE, Treasurer, Vice Principal of Mar Thoma English Medium School and Center School, Principal of St. Thomas English Medium School, Durgangeri, Staff Secretary, teachers, non-teaching staff, my beloved parents and graduating students, a warm good afternoon to all of you. On the behalf of Mar Thoma management, I express all the blessings to the graduating students. May God bless you abundantly for your future journey. In this time, I remember the President, General Secretaries, Treasurers of Mar Thoma Evangelistic Association, Kerala, the Mission Department of Mar Thoma Church, all the principals, teachers, non-teaching staff, treasurer, for their help and guidance during the last 13 years of your journey. How many of you remember your first day in the school? Anybody? First day in the school? Yeah, you can see after this program, your first days. For last 13 years, so many people supported you, including our IMS, our bus departments, office staff and all. So in this graduation day, I remember them. I thank our parents who sent their children to this school. Dear parents, we work our best for making our children to become number one during these last 13 years. My dear students, you are leaving this historic campus after finishing your school education. Be a good citizen of this nation. Love your parents, respect the elders. Please remember always, love your parents, respect the elders. Be a model to others. Keep the dignity of our school we are proud of you. During the COVID time, you experienced different type of learning system. Still, we are following. So I request you, don't addicted with mobile phone. Reels will come, shorts will come, WhatsApp will come, Facebook will come, Instagram will come. But all these have to help to improve your knowledge. Don't addict. It will attract you. Sometimes this attraction destroy our future. So my humble request to graduating students, reduce your screen time. All of you, some of you are laughing. How I can reduce my screen time? Because all my friends are in screens only. That culture we are living. So reduce your screen time and keep good character. In this year, from our management, Marthoma Management, Honova, 178 students graduating and finishing their school education. So I wish all the best for all graduating students assembled here. Let I conclude my presidential address. May God grant wisdom to you all to fulfill your dream in coming days. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Father, we are honored to hear from you. Thank you for your valuable message and blessings.
A chief guest words often become guiding lights, words that students carry with them long after the ceremony ends. I respectfully invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Royce Thomas Rajal, who is the pharmacist by profession and also manager and senior administrator to hospitals in England in implementation of AI in healthcare, to deliver the graduation message, sharing words of wisdom and inspiration with our graduating students.
Esteemed principals and presence, respected dignitaries, respected teachers, and my beloved children, good afternoon to you all. It is my great privilege and honor to be invited to the graduation of 10th standard students at this great and venerable institution of Marthoma Central School as chief guest to you all. This Christian institution holds a prestigious name in education and development of children, and I am also proud to say that I married Gladys Ann Burgess, who practices physiotherapy as the senior physiotherapist in London, who was a previous student at this school and holds its name high in London. In London, I work with bringing AI to reality. Now, can you tell me what AI stands for? Everybody knows what AI stands for. In the last 2 years, if you asked anyone what AI stood for in 5 years, they would have no idea. AI stands for artificial intelligence, you're absolutely correct. And my job is to bring that AI that we see on ChatGPT to the use of patients in hospitals in England. There are 702 hospitals in England. And I am in charge of bringing AI to those hospitals in that mass infrastructure. I have a little story to share with you, and I won't take too much time because I know how valuable today is. And of course, you will want to be graduating and taking your phones and take photographs. A small story to share is that when we were first implementing AI, artificial intelligence, at our hospital, the chief executive officer called me into the office because I was the chief clinical informatics officer. And he asked me, we need this program rolled out to 700 hospitals in England. 700. From one hospital to 700 hospitals. So we have to fight for its funding. We have to speak about its good use. We have to make sure that it is safe. That we have to make sure that there is an opportunity. And so, my friends, I have 3 lessons to teach you, to share with you. The first lesson is from a beloved guru of mine, who is APJ Abdul Kalam, who is an aerospace scientist and a previous president of India. He said, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. He emphasized working hard. He emphasized that you have to wake up early, you have to sleep late, you have to make sure work speaks louder than your words. And of course, excellence is a continuous process. You can't falter in your efforts. The second lesson I learned in implementing to 700 hospitals is to find opportunity. Do you know who Steve Jobs is? Has anyone heard of Steve Jobs? Steve Jobs was the previous founder of Apple Computers. Apple is iPhone. Apple has 4 lakh crore rupees valuation. Steve Jobs in his previous life was a yogi. Before he was in technology, he practiced yoga, he practiced as a yogi. And then he founded the Apple Computers because he found an opportunity there in technology, completely different to the ancient art form of yoga. So you must find your opportunities. My third lesson to you is to be grateful to the Almighty. When you are presented with challenges, with opportunity, with difficulties, you must be grateful to the Almighty in those opportunities, and you must persevere. You must work hard, and you must be grateful. So students, when you finish your graduation today, not to forget this school, and to remember to always give something back in gratefulness to the Almighty. So you must always come back to the school. You must always hold its name high wherever you go. And remember, there are so many opportunities. Everywhere you go, there are opportunities. And so you are blessed to study in this institution under the blessed principals and teachers at this institution. And as the previous dignitaries has mentioned, graduation is not the end. It is only the beginning for opportunities. And I will finish with one last quotation from Abraham Lincoln. You know who Abraham Lincoln is? Abraham Lincoln is the 16th President of the United States of America. Abraham Lincoln failed 3 times to become the senator just to become a president. He failed, F-A-I-L, failed. But fail stands for first attempt in learning. F-A-I-L stands for first attempt in learning. It is not a failure. And he went on to become a president of the United States. And he said, whatever you become a good one. And that is my lesson to you, my dear friends. Whatever you become, whatever part you choose to become a good one. My blessings and my prayers with you. Thank you.
Thank you, dear sir. Mr. Royce Thomas Rajan. Thank you, dignitaries.
You don't become what you want, you become what you believe. The true voice of this day belongs to our students. We now invite the Class 10 student representatives from both the CBSE and State English Medium Marthoma schools to share their reflections, experiences, gratitude and dreams. I now invite the head boy of Marthoma English Medium School, Prasanna Shetty, to speak on this occasion.
Respected dignitaries, teachers, parents, and my dear friends, good afternoon everyone present here. Today is a very special day as we celebrate the graduation day of Class 10. Standing here, I feel proud, grateful, and little emotional because this day marks the end of a beautiful journey and the beginning of a new chapter. Our school has been more than just a place of learning. Within this wall, we didn't just study the subject, we learned the values of hard work, teamwork, and confidence. From the morning assemblies to the exams, laughers in the classrooms to the stress before result, each and every memory has shaped what we are today. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our teachers. Your patience, guidelines, and constant support had helped us to grow not only as a student but also as a better human being. A heartfelt thanks to our parents as well. Your encouragement, sacrifice, and trust has been the strongest support. Whatever we achieve in our life will have your blessings behind it. Dear friends, we started this journey together, and today we stand stronger, together, and wiser to face the new challenges. Though our paths may differ, but the memories and the friendship we made will stay with us forever. As we move ahead towards new challenges, we must carry the values that our school has taught. Let us be kind, confident, and courageous. Success may not always be easy, but with the determination and honesty, nothing is impossible. I would like to conclude by saying that this is not a goodbye, but see you later. The future is waiting for us, and I'm sure each one of us will make our school feel proud. Thank you, and all the best for everyone.
Thank you, Prasanna, for your confident and motivating address. I now call Head Girl of Marthoma Central School, B.G. Tanushri, to address the gathering.
Good afternoon to everyone present here, respected dignitaries, teachers, and my dear friends. Honestly, standing here today feels unreal. It just feels like yesterday that I was in elementary school looking forward for my first day of school, nervous and excited. But today, here I am standing as the head girl of this institution about to say goodbye. This school wasn't just exams and classroom for me. It was where I first made my real friends, where I learned my first success and also learned failure is okay and we need to try again. Every corridor holds memories for me here. Some happy, some embarrassing, some emotional, but all of them really close to my heart. Being a head girl has been one of the most honorable things I have received in my life. This leadership wasn't always easy for me. Some of these days were stressful. Some of these days I would doubt myself. But importantly, what I learned was being a good leader isn't about being perfect. It's about always standing with your teammates even when it's really hard. To my teachers, thank you for your guidance, patience and belief in me. Your every word of encouragement, scolding and correction has meant a lot to us, more than you can expect. To my batchmates, where do I even start? School won't be the same without you all. From sharing tiffins to stressing over board exams, we all have grown up. Today isn't just about leaving. It's about carrying everything we learned about in this school. I'd just like to thank you all and congratulate every one of you all. We all made it. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanushri, for sharing your esteemed guests and proud parents. Today marks a significant milestone in the journey of our students. As you stand here, you are not just a recipient of a certificate. You are the embodiment of the hard work, dedication, and perseverance. The past few years, you have been a roller coaster ride of emotions, challenges, and triumphs. You have navigated through the ups and downs of adolescence, balancing academics with your extracurricular activities and personal growth with social responsibilities. As you stand on the threshold of this new journey, I want to remind you that the world is full of possibilities and challenges. You have the potential to make a difference, to innovate, to create, and to inspire. Never lose sight of your dreams. Never let anyone tell you that you cannot achieve something. As you move forward, remember to stay focused, stay motivated, and stay true to your values which you have learned in this institution. The path ahead is not a bed of roses, but with determination, hard work, you can achieve anything that you have set your mind to. Your batch has shown a remarkable spirit, reliance, and determination. You have supported each and everyone, lifted each other's spirits every time, and celebrated each other's successes. As you bid farewell to this chapter of your life, I urge you to stay focused, keep learning, and never stop exploring. The world needs your unique skills, talents, and perspectives. Now, I would like to ask you one simple but yet a very important and confusing question. I have asked this question many times in my classes, especially from 6th standard, and even this question I had asked my 10th graders. I hope they have forgotten that question. When I ask them, they will remember. Can anyone guess what that question, CBSE students? I don't think. So the question is, why you are sitting in this seat today? I repeat the question for all state and CBSE students, graduating students. Why you are sitting in this seat today? Your answer may be, it's because of education. I want to get the good grades. Maybe because of my talents. I want to innovate something. I want to create my life and all those things. This all follows. But the main answer for this question, any guesses, students? Okay, the answer for this, why you are sitting in this seat today is, it's because of your parents. The very reason you are here today, at the end of this academic 10th standard. If your parents were not having that decision to send you to school, today you would not be here in this place. It's because of your parents' sacrifices. It's because of your parents' dreams. So I ask you, I request you, please keep up their dreams. Do not let them down. Make them proud by your achievements, by your behaviors, by your character. Dear students, today is not the end. You have a long way to go, and the world is not an easy place for you. You have to go about with a lot of hurdles,
lot of obstacles, there are many things you have to overcome. But your parents are a blessing to you. So I would like to tell you, dear students, please respect your parents. It's because of them you will achieve a great position in life tomorrow. To the graduating class of 2025-26, I offer these final words of advice. Believe in yourself, hard work, and never give up on your dreams. You are the future leaders, innovators, and change makers. Go out there and make your mark. Congratulations, graduates. May your future be bright and make your success be a reflection of your hard work and determination. Thank you. God bless you, students.
यथा शिखा मयूराणां नागानां मणयो यथा तद्वद् वेदांग शास्त्राणां विद्यास्थानं शिरस्थितम्. Peacock is known by its crest. Snake is known by its jewel. And a person is known by his education. So, education gives identity. Respected dignitaries, proud parents, dear teaching and non-teaching staff, and my beloved students, a very good afternoon to you all. Today is a very special day, a day filled with pride, memories, and new beginnings. As a teacher, standing here on your graduation day is both emotional and joyful moment for me. Dear students, this stage marks the end of one beautiful chapter and the beginning of the another. Over the years, we have seen you grow not only in knowledge but in confidence, discipline, and character. We have watched you stumble, learn, rise again, and shine. Each one of you is unique spark, and today we celebrate that. Remember, graduation is not just about certificate or marks. It is about values you carry forward: honesty, kindness, hard work, and respect. Life ahead will not always be easy, but believe in yourself. Mistakes will happen, and that's okay, because learning never stops. As you step into the future, dream big, stay humble, and never forget your roots. Wherever life takes you, let your actions make your parent proud, your teachers proud, and most importantly, yourself proud. Subhecha santu panthanah, sarve santu niramayaः, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. May your path be auspicious, may you be healthy and see only goodness, may no one face sorrows. Dear graduating students, on behalf of all teachers, I wish you success, courage, health, wealth, prosperity, and happiness in every step of your journey. Go forward with confidence, curiosity, and a heart full of gratitude. A hearty congratulations to you, dear graduating students. The world is waiting for you. I wish you all the very best, and may God bless you all. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, dear teachers, for your love and blessings.
Now we have a video presentation. We kindly request the dignitaries.
उड़ती पतंग सा ख्वाबों when I never felt so lost, when I fell on the entrance, not too bad for the start. मौसम का है will always
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We are not alone, we are not alone, we are not alone today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we are not alone today. The Lord will see us through, the Lord will see us through, the Lord will see us through someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, डाले हाथों में हाथ, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन। नहीं डर किसी का आज, नहीं डर किसी का आज, नहीं डर किसी का आज ये दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, नहीं डर किसी का आज ये दिन। नहीं डर किसी का आज ये दिन।
ಇದೊಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಾಧನೆ, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಇಂಡೋ ಮಲೇಷಿಯಾ ಯೋಗ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಶಿಪ್. Thank you, dignitaries. Congratulations, Mami.
To reflect upon and summarize today's meaningful proceedings, I respectfully invite Mr. K.C. Varghese, Treasurer of Marthoma Schools, to address the gathering with his overall remarks.
ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆನ್ಸಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರೇ, ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಪೂಜ್ಯರೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಂತಹ ರೋಯಿಸ್ ರಾಜನವರೇ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಪಾಲಕರೇ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷದ ದಿನ, ಆದರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಮೋಷನಲ್ ಆದ ದಿನ ಸಹ. ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಚಂದವಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಯಿತು. ನಾನು 35 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇನ್ನು ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಹೊಸ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಐಸನ್ ಜೋಶ್ವಾ ಅಂಡ್ CBSE ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಆನ್ಸಿ ಮಾಡನ್ನ ಅವರ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ನಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಂದವಾಗಿ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ನಡೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಅವರೊಂದು 700 ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ AI ಮೂಲಕ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ತಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಭವಿಷ್ಯವಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿದಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಶೋಭಿಸುವುದು ಕಾಣಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿ ಒಂದು AI ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್. ಅವರು 700 ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು AI ಮೂಲಕ. ಒಂದು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದದು, ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಭಾರತೀಯರು ಶೋಭಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾರ್ತೋಮಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಶೋಭಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಹ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡತನ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನಿದು ಹೇಳುವುದು, ಮಾರ್ತೋಮಾ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿದಂತಹ ನನ್ನ 2 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಈ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ, ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಆದುದರಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾನ್ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಪಡೆಯುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯಂದರ ಕನಸು ನೆನಸಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ಸಂದೇಹವೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಾರಣ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವಿದೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಭಾರತದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ದರ್ಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ, ನನ್ನ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಕನಸನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಪಾಲಕರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಸೇರಿಸುದು. ನಾನು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಫೇರ್ವೆಲ್ ದಿನ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೇಳಿದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ನೆನಪು ಉಂಟಾಗದಾಗಿ ಫಾದರ್ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕೇಳಿದರು. ನಾನು ಅವತ್ತು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕೇಳಿದರು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ನೆನಪು ಉಂಟಾಗದಾಗಿ. ಪಾಲಕರು ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸೇ ಹಿಡಿಕೊಂಡು, ಇನ್ನು ಹೇಳುದು ಬೇಡಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಂಬೇಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಕರಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ 12 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಈ ಫೋಟೋ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಯಿತು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕನಸಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮೇಲೆ, ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಈ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಅವರ ಕನಸು ನೆನಸಾಗಬೇಕಾದರೆ, ಅವರ ಕನಸು ನೆನಸಾಗುವಾಗ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಮತ್ತಿನ್ನು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವಿದೆ. ದೇವರು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮೂಲಕವಾಗಿ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ದರ್ಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ಅಳಿಯ, ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ಅಳಿಯ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವಿದೆ. ದೇವರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಅಂತಹ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ದರ್ಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಮೌಲ್ಯಾಧಾರಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪಡೆದವರಾಗಿ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವುದು ಎಂಬುದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರು ಮೌಲ್ಯವಿದ್ದವರಾಗಿ, ಮೂಲ್ಯವಿದ್ದವರಾಗಿ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದವರಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ತೋಮಾ ಶಾಲೆಯ, ಮಾರ್ತೋಮಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಇನ್ನು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ನೀಡಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲಕರನ್ನು ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, dear sir, for guiding us with your vision and wisdom.
Now it's time for oath ceremony. As our students step into a new phase of life, it is important to remind them of their responsibilities to themselves. To
Stretch your arms and repeat the oath after me. Today, with courage and confidence, to learn from my failures and grow through challenges. With gratitude in my heart, I promise to walk the path of righteousness, use my education wisely, and serve others with humility and compassion. I further pledge to uphold the ideals of my country, respect its culture, unity and values, and work sincerely for the progress of my nation, striving always to become a responsible and committed citizen.
We sincerely thank our respected CBSE principal, Mrs. Ansi Anna Philip, for administering the oath ceremony.
Daughter of Mr. Krishna Prabhu and Mrs. Hema K. Prabhu. Congratulations, Rani. It is our pleasure to call upon Ria Richard Gonzalez, daughter of Mr. Richard Gonzalez and Mrs. Rita Gonzalez. Congratulations, Ria. Next we welcome Samanvi Mesta, daughter of Mr. Subhash Mesta and Mrs. Savita Mesta. Congratulations, Samanvi. It is a joyful moment to invite Samiksha Vasant Mesta, daughter.
Propose the vote of thanks, expressing as appreciation to all who made this graduation day a memorable one.
A milestone becomes meaningful when we pause to thank all those who made the journey possible. Good evening, everyone. I feel honored and privileged to propose a vote of thanks on this memorable graduation day. First and foremost, we express our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Royce Thomas Rajan, for gracing today's program, contributing to artificial intelligence in healthcare at King's College, London. Your journey is truly inspiring. Your work in implementing AI in hospitals across the England is remarkable and motivated for our students. We sincerely thank you for sparing your precious time to bless this occasion and make this program more meaningful. A heartfelt thanks to our chief. We also extend our sincere thanks to Dr. Gladys, a proud alumni of Marthoma English Medium School and a dedicated physiotherapist. Your presence makes us proud and happy. Thank you, dear. Our Honorable Manager, Reverend Ison Joshua, we sincerely thank you for your visionary leadership and constant your guidance that this graduation day program has been newly introduced in our school. This wonderful initiative has created history in Marthoma schools, giving our students a proud moment to celebrate their achievement and milestone. A heartfelt thanks to dear Father. I extend sincere gratitude to our treasurer, Mr. K.C. Varghese sir, for your constant support and guidance at every single step. Your encouragement and silent efforts behind the scene have played a significant role in making today's program a great success. Thank you, sir. My sincere thanks goes to Mrs. Nancy Anna Philip, Principal of Marthoma Central School. We sincerely thank you for your excellent leadership and guidance throughout this program. Your tireless hard work, careful planning have made this event a great success. We truly appreciate your dedication and effort in organizing the first graduation day program in our school. Thank you, ma'am. Our heartfelt thanks goes to HM in charge, Mr. Vinod Lopez sir, and Staff Secretary, Mrs. Sunita Pinto of MTES, for your sincere coordination and responsible leadership have great contributed to the smooth conduct and success of today's event. Thank you, sir and miss. I extend my sincere thanks to the class teachers and all the subject teachers of class 10 for your dedication, patience and tireless efforts have shaped our students academically and morally. Thank you, dear teachers. I also thank all the teachers from play class to grade 9 for nurturing and molding these children into a confident graduates we celebrate today. Thank you, dear teachers. A special note of thanks to our physical education teachers for efficiently arranging and guiding the students for the rally. Your discipline, coordination and active involvement ensured that everything was conducted smoothly and successfully. Thank you, PT teachers. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to the conveners of the Stage Decoration Committee, Mr. Murali and Mr. Naresh, along with their dedicated team, for the amazing decoration and the physical arrangement. Thank you for your wonderful teamwork. Thank you, dear teachers. Behind every successful event stands the united efforts, cooperation and commitment of many people working together. Hence, I sincerely thank conveners of all the committees and the members of all the committees. At the time shortage, I am not able to take all the committee members and the conveners' name. So sorry for that, and I thank all the dedicated conveners and of all the committees. Thank you, dear teachers. I also thank Marthoma Central School past student Glanet and Varghese for her presence. It is wonderful to see our student achieving great heights and staying connected to the school. She was an active student of our first 10th batch, CBSE 10th batch, and it is a coincidence that she was the last year convocation program, she was the guest, and happy to see you, Glanet. Thank you very much. I extend my gratitude to all the parents for your trust and cooperation. Today's achievement of our gratitude are truly a reflection of your love and commitment. Thank you for being our strong partners in the educational journey and for gracing this program with your presence. Thank you, dear parents. I would like to especially appreciate our non-teaching staff whose silent efforts and hard work form a backbone of every successful program. We truly thank you for all the non-teaching staff. My dear graduates, today you spread the wings to fly towards new dreams. Thank you for the laughter, learning and memories you have gifted our school. Wherever life takes you, always remember that this will forever be your second home. You will always remain the pride and shining stars of Marthoma School. Thank you, dear students. My heartfelt appreciation goes to the student of class 9, some are present today, and our scout and guides who present today. Your dedication, teamwork, and the sincere manner in which you completed every task entrusted to you truly deserve praise. Thank you, dear students. Today's success is a reflection of our unity, love, and teamwork. Thank you all for being part of this beautiful journey. Gratitude in our hearts and smiles on our faces. We conclude this celebration. Thank you. Thanks a lot for everyone.
We sincerely thank respected Vice Principal of Marthoma Central School, Mrs. Vanitha Kudragi Madam,